Today I am popping in to do a quick review on this dual layer. This is premium weed barrier. It's 5 ounces as far as the thickness. It comes in 1.3 feet wide by 50 feet long. You can see it's packaged really nicely in this plastic bag. Once you get it open, you'll find they have this nice little insert here with just a little bit of information. It is PP woven fabric. Again, 5 ounce heavy grade, heavy duty fabric. It is made out of polypropylene material, and you can see here some of the benefits of it. This is pretty thick. It does feel a lot like felt. You'll see you have the back here, and then the side is actually pretty soft, and this is thicker than some of the other felt stuff I have put in my garden before. You can see it's almost like a plastic woven weed barrier, but then it has like the felt added to it, which kind of helps to thicken it up. So it is nice that it's got that solid base. This is the current weed barrier that I have in my garden. It's extremely thin. It tears really easily. It's like you can see my fingers through it. This stuff, much thicker, and again, it has that really solid woven plastic with the felt on top, so much thicker than what I already have in my garden. What I really like about this is that's about the width of it. It's going to be perfect for my little aisleway here. I'm getting a lot of just this weedy undergrowth that is a pain to go through and pick up. So I am excited to go ahead and put this to use in my aisleways. Something I do really like about this product too is that they actually ship it with the little stakes that you need. You'll find that they're inside the little cardboard tube that holds this together, but these are really nice. They are a really good depth. These are probably about 4 inches deep, if not 5. So they are really nice that those come. They are a really thick gauge metal, so you're not gonna have to worry about any of that bending or anything like that. So these are really nice that they come with the weed barrier. A lot of times you have to kind of order that separate. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of use this, like I said, in my aisleways. So let's go ahead and get it set up using the included stakes. All right, so I went ahead and laid this garden cloth down. Very easy to do. The staples work fantastic. Really nice, thick gauge. They have kind of a nice pointed end, so they hammer in very easily, especially if you have a softer soil like I do in my garden. Really love this width. It's the perfect aisle width for your garden beds. So you can see I've got mine all kind of boxed out, and now I can start cleaning up my poppies. But overall, very happy with this. It was very easy to use. It cuts very easily with just your typical scissors. No problem getting it cut and put in here. Again, the perk of this is that it's nice and skinny. So it's 1.3 feet across. It's the perfect aisle width for your garden. You don't have to buy a wider one and then cut it, which is what I have done in the past, and it unravels and it's such a mess. I do really like, you can tell that the outside edge of this has been heat treated, so it's melted and it's not going to fray on you, which is fantastic because that is a problem I tend to have with this type of ground cloth. So if this is a product you're considering, I do recommend it. I love that it comes with the staples. Everything's included that you need to go ahead and get it down. If it's a product you're considering, this is something the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully my review helps you decide if it's the right product for your garden, but I am really excited to have clean, weed-free aisleways.